Hello everyone, this is Akash Gully from Hyderabad Gully. Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm heading towards... I have no idea. All I was waiting for my senior, Funny Bargo. I think he was right there in front of us. I mean, barely we can see him. Since it is slightly drizzling, yet it's not, but somehow you will feel later. Edi manadu. Da. Tin. Since I observed so much information from my senior Ritik, Funny Bargo, aka, so we are heading towards Women's College, which is located near to the Koti itself. There is a supplementary store. Really don't want to expose that place, so I'm not going to vlog. On top of that, I'm not going to pinpoint that location and give you hint about that supplement store. Everyone has their own uncomfortable moments, just like this moment. Yeah. I will always get irritated whenever I reach to this point of area. Traffic will be so annoying. Few things never change. Wow, there is so much difference till few moments ago, before filling the air in the tires. It used to be very hard to rotate my handle, yet somehow because of that air I'm feeling much comfortable and it's easy to give my 100% performance on the streets. Hera, Mama said to use it, bro. Ba. No matter how many times I travel here, there will be no changes. As usual, as before. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! You see this? Whenever I reach here, I'll call this. Ew! I love to make that sound. Whammo! Okay. My legs are getting dirty, dude. Chha. This is the only minus point from Bajaj Pulsar 220. No matter how slow we travel, the water gets it's plain, and you will feel so many drops on your feet. It's very irritating.
రోడ్ క్లోజ్ ఉండే మళ్ళీ ఓపెన్ చేసింది.
Cops everywhere. Is that fitness one? నేను వెళ్ళినా. Yeah, wonderful. There's a stage, boxing stage inside. There is a boxing stage inside antuna. Finally I reached to my home. I don't have enough information to vlog to continue the vlog, so I'll vlog later. Okay? Yeah. So guys, right now I have to go for Malakpet. I think so. I'm not exactly. It's Malakpet near Musramba Chaurasta and Malakpet in between. So me, Maripati, Raghav and his friend Uday, 4 together heading towards that place. There's a mall which is closely attached to the metro station. So we are going to head. I cannot clearly see. I'm losing the vision because of this rain. Completely turned into a foggy inside my helmet. So the plan is heading towards Malakpet itself. Though I'm not sure about the helmet, where to put this. Hoping for the best. As you see, it's raining. You see, right now we reached Miraj. We have no idea whether Miraj has a Pagal movie or not. So when we googled it, we got the location over there. Somehow we get to know that Pagal is here itself. So that's how we are taking all the tickets, you know. Okay, wait. We will wait, dude. ఏమంటావుతే అంతే కదా. రెండు పెగ్గులు వ్లాగ్ మీ డాడీ మీ అన్న చూస్తాడు. 2 పెగ్గులు So we already took the tickets from Miraj. The only reason we are heading towards Malakpet capital to have a couple of chai and a smoke, so that we can spend at least 1 hour, close to 1 hour, not exactly 1 hour, close to 1 hour, because the timing for the movie is like 10:30 or 10:20. I'm not sure. I don't know exactly for what purpose Maripati Harish Babu preferring this off-road Kachra road in our local language. Okay, blend. Maripati has his own milkshakes shop. Let's see. I never visited this Tejashvi Raj blend. Nice. Okay. No. Capital first. back to the place again. Mirage. But I think we still have like 20 minutes time to spare. ఇది ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు జూ నెంబర్ నా అమ్మ. Okay, not bad. We have a little bit crowd. I thought completely empty. Let's go. So this is the parking. I think they are charging for the parking too. Leaving completed. Right Murray bhai, right, see you tomorrow. Plan చేయండి ఎవరు ఇంకా పెద్ద vlog అవుతుంది. Bye. Time to leave, dude. Oh,